Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I shredded my jeans. I've had jeans like this before and absolutely loved them as a teenager, and I seen them on Instagram and I said, hey, let's do this again. So I have some high-waisted jeans that I don't wear anymore. I've had them for like 3 years and we're going to transform them. Okay, so as you can see, I have just a pair of scissors and I have some fray check. I'm probably not going to use it, but if you want to use it so it won't fray too much, you can. So now what I'm going to do is simply cut off the bottom hem of the jeans. My jeans were a little bit long because I am short. I'm only 5'3½", and so they were a little bit long, so I'm going to cut more than just that hem out. Those were bad scissors, you guys, so I decided to get my real fabric scissors and cut the hem of the other pants out. Now that I have that, I did make a mark on my pants of how high I want to go, and I'm simply going to cut straight up. If you want your cuts to be perfectly even, I would suggest getting a ruler and actually going along the lines of the ruler. I did not care if mine were perfectly even or straight. I just wanted to make sure that they did not go up too high because I did not want to show any cheeks. Didn't want cheeks hanging out, but I want them to definitely be short enough in the back. So I'm simply going up the back side first, and then I will cut the front side as I go around. Now, like I was saying, I had a pair of these jeans. Me and my mother both had a pair of these jeans, and I think I was probably high school age. And I had some that were cut just like this. Another way you can actually do it is leaving the hem at the bottom and then creating slits. So that way it still holds the heaviness at the bottom and it looks more like pants and less like shorts. It's really, really cool. You should try it. If you want to see how they look, let me know down in the comments and I'll make another pair that way. But it's really, really cool. So as you can see, now I'm just making those even, and that's pretty much it. If you want to use fray check and you don't want it to fray, then this is where you would put it. I decided to wear them as is just to show you guys what they look like. This is the finished product. You do want it to fray a little bit, at least I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the washer, wash them, and then after one good wash, they'll be nice and frayed and they'll look very torn. But this is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how I made shredded jeans. Definitely share with me if you're going to do this. Let me know how they turn out. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.